Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Secret to Invest, bringing you back with another YouTube video. And look, man, I uploaded 4 videos, and not once have I talked about my stock portfolio or on what I do, on why I have this stock, like stuff like that. So once again, I just want to start off by saying I am a dividend investor. I basically just buy stocks that pay me a dividend each 3 months, each year. It just depends on the stock that I like and don't like. And these right here, man, the reason why I got these stocks right here, like Valero, Texas Roadhouse, Cisco, JP Mortgage, Frost, PNC, Aflac, and Exxon, because each individual stock has good balance sheets. They have good, consistent revenue, consistent, positive cash flow, more cash than debt, positive income, well, net income, sorry, and everything that you can think of, which is the payout ratio is under 50, the PE ratio is under 30, and then of course each year with these stocks, I've seen that they grow year per year for the dividend, which is really freaking good. Because recently, JP Mortgage actually raised their dividends from $1 to $1.05, which is really freaking good. Because I have five, and that right there is like $5 right there. And then I mean, of course, it's not a lot to most people, and to me, it's something. Something is something. And so far, I'm gonna show you right now how much I made through my transactions, if I can figure out right here. So yeah, we go to history right here, and then look right here, Valero, and this right here, I have a Roth IRA, but the thing is, I don't really put as much money compared to my main stock portfolio. So this coming up, I have $10 coming in from Valero, and that's only because I've been investing with Valero for quite a while, and I got almost 9 shares for this stock right here. And so far, Valero has been paying me good. Same goes for Roadhouse. Actually, Roadhouse might be the one of my best stocks in here, right here, 26%, which is really freaking good. And yeah, I mean, basically what I do, I just buy and hold. I don't day trade anymore, which I did back in my days. And I'm gonna show you right now how this was back in my days. Back in 2022, man. Your boy was day trading, man. I lost so much money on day trading. It's crazy, bro. And then I just came to realize that day trading is not for me. You know, I tried it out, and then after that, I changed my strategy. And most of the time, sometimes you had to blow a couple accounts to realize, hey, like this is not for me, et cetera, et cetera. I should probably change my strategy. And recently, I got into dividend investing on July 2023, which I'm really am grateful about because so far it's been paying me some pretty decent money. Not much. I think the annually that I make with this stock portfolio right now is $158, which is pretty good. That's not bad because so far I only been doing this for, let me see, July 2023, almost a year, probably like 9 months, 10 months, or 8 months. Somewhere around there. And so far, I feel like I learned a lot with dividend stocks. I've been reading books about it. I've been doing my due diligence. I've been doing everything that you could think of. And I'm trying to spread the word by making this channel and helping out other people sooner or later. Because right now, I'm just testing the water to see what I like to do. And, that's basically about it. But all right, guys, now let's talk about Palantir earnings. So I know I talked about this Palantir earnings before, and I'm gonna say this again. I am stupidly confident on Palantir's growth that I bought 2 calls for Palantir on options, and I put an extra $200 on Palantir on the stock right here. I put an extra $200, so now I'm over $1,000, which is really freaking good. And I'm ready for Alex Karp to actually explode our minds, basically send that stock to the damn moon. If I'm be honest, man, the reason why I buy Palantir is just because of the metrics that it has. The balance sheet is really freaking good, and almost every 2-3 months, they always get a contract with somebody or with a different company. Like recently, they got a partnership with Kohl's and something else I don't recall, but I know for sure I recall Cole's getting a partnership with Palantir. And what's crazy is that Microsoft actually got that same partnership, but they ended that contract because Microsoft couldn't handle what Coles wanted, so the contract ended right there and there. And now they got Palantir doing that same contract. So let's see what they do with that contract. But so far, that's good news. And each 3 months, like I said, I'm gonna keep saying this over and over again. They get new contracts, new partnerships, new everything. And then sooner or later, bro, that S&P inclusion is gonna come up, and once it does happen, this stock is going to the moon. It's going to $30 or probably more. This probably could be the next GameStop, the next dumb money movie. Hey, guys, I could just imagine if that ever does happen. But so far, I'm trying to keep my confidence a little bit low. That way, I won't be like sad when it goes the opposite way. I'm gonna be stupid sad if it does not beat expectations, because I have high confidence that this stock is gonna beat expectations, which I hope it does, man. But look, guys, that's so far with my portfolio and my introduction about this stock portfolio. And I hope I get y'all likes and sub, because I am starting off this channel. It's much appreciated if y'all do like and sub. Like I'm new and I want to help other people grow with me, and basically, help each other out as a stock community. So, all right, guys, take care, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, guys. Peace.